I sold some shoes. I sold some shoes. I sold some shoes.
Who let the cats out? Man, mountain link. Who let the cats out?
Well, come on. We gotta go get these Beanie Boos. Bobby. Bobby. Come on. Whoa. Well, I gotta find which crate it's in first. Bobby will help me look. And we'll be right back at you. Bobby. Quit playing peekaboo. Bobby. You gonna help? Bobby ain't gonna help. That's a cat for you. Finally found the plush crate. So one of those and another one of those. Two of those. I was right at $15. I had a watcher. My normal price on these type of items is $7.95 plus shipping. Had a watcher. I sent him an offer for $7.49 and turned counter offers off so that he couldn't send back some insanely low offer. And he not only took the offer, he bought two of them. So I ought to save a little bit of shipping, I hope. But we'll get those in the house and get them packed up real quick. Maybe we can get them in today's mail. You know, because of all the pets, I heat seal my plush and stuff like that in these little baggies. And that protects them from the pet hair getting dirty and dusty and anything. I think it looks a little bit professional. And each bag costs like a penny, and I believe both of these took one bag. That's like half a bag, and that's the other half of the bag. So, I just thought I'd share that. Heat sealers, you can buy like a little heat sealer for $25 delivered off eBay, maybe even cheaper than that. Sold some Christmas lights, $24.95, free shipping. Sold this little squeezable from Walgreens, $7.95 plus shipping. I paid $1.99 for this, paid about $1.99 for that. 90% off Christmas clearance at Walgreens. Turn that off. Sold a pair of Nike Shox Turbo 9 women's shoes. Sold for $27.95. We're just going to put a picture up here because they went out yesterday. Let's see here. Give me a minute to find these other shoes and I'll be right back with you. Alright, starting at the top. Sold this pair of men's Brooks GTS 17 gray and black shoes here. Sold them for $18.99 plus shipping. Got a pair of Merrell here, Ramblers, 13 medium. Sold those for $20 plus shipping after going back and forth 3 or 4 times with the buyer. And sold these for $60. It's a pair of new old stock, new with tags, women's Ariat boots. It was a nice pair of boots, but they'd been sitting in somebody's closet for years and years and years. I had them up for $70. Got an offer for $55. Made a counter offer at $60, and she took it quicker and quick. So she must have really wanted them. When I started promoting at 4%, I had a big jump in sales, and then I had almost no sales. Not almost no sales. I had no sales for 36 hours. And what I did was I went back and promoted all my listings at 1% and relisted a bunch of shoes that I had in inventory already, about 30, 50 listings, maybe a few more, and I've had 4 or 5 sales already. Make of that what you will. Now, if you're gonna come on, come on. There you go. All right, sold a pair of women's boots. Predictions. Boots are black. Here's a picture. Sold a pair of very narrow Forsheims. Real handsome pair of shoes. Tan lace up. And here's a picture. Sold 2 caps. And I have yet to find them. So we're going to go look for them and we'll be back at you when we get them. Found them. They're always in the last place that you look. Sold one of the brown ones and one of the green ones for $15.96. Plus shipping on top. Well, today's Saturday. We're shipping out 2 pair of shoes and 2 caps. The caps are going GPS out of the country, and the men's shoes are going out of the country with a transport individual out of Jamaica, New York. So those are the really narrow ones, size, or I should say width A. So very narrow. Always a problem with those coming back. People not realizing that they're narrow shoes when they wear them. So since these are going out of the country, hopefully they won't be back. And I just sold another cap. So let's go dig it out. I don't think it'll be shipping today, but if we can get it in time, we will. Sure has been awful windy. Well, looks like we've got to move about half of this, so we'll be back at you. Well, there it is. Don't look like much. Sold for $10 for free shipping. And wouldn't you know it, the heater kicks on. But as you can tell, it's not squealing. Sold these 6 Western books for $15 for free shipping. They're shipped medium mail. They were listed less than 12 hours before they sold. So that's a pretty good author. Keep your eye out. You gonna help me pull orders? Come on. Come on in, help me pull orders. That's a good girl. Lights. Hit the lights. This has turned into the loud one. Let's see here. We got a bunch of boots. Pat's boots right there. Let's get them down first. Bought these boots for 20 bucks. Sold them for 35 bucks. Well, the reason for that is I bought them from Pat. Wanted to stay on her good side. And so she'd call me when stuff come in at the thrift store. That worked out real well because she moved to Memphis, Tennessee. And yeah, so as far as the boots go, after they smelled of smoke so strong, it took months to clean them, for them to air out. And the what's the little strap on the side of the boot that you put the boot on with called? Whatever it was, they had broke the one on the inside and then hot glued it back. And I didn't notice that on first inspection. And of course, she didn't point it out. So 20 in, sold it for 35 plus shipping. Glad to sell them. Remember the Mr. Bean cars? We went to all the little Dollar Trees and bought these. Sold 9 of them for $25. I got tired of people offering me 20. So I sent out an offer for 25 and somebody snatched it up. So $9 in, sold for 25 plus shipping. This pair of shoes sold for $15 plus shipping on top. So I found these while I was poking around. And honestly don't remember where I got them. Had them for years and years. I stuck them through the rock tumbler. Set HM. And on this side it says KOWA. I don't know if it's ever going to focus on that or not. Come on, potato, focus. There you go. So these are Honda motorcycle tools, and people are asking $25.99 for a set of 2, which seems a bit outrageous. I went and looked at solds, and they seem to be around $9 a wrench. So I think I'm going to put the 2 together and probably list them at like $17.99 with shipping on top, and see if I can get that. This is unmarked, but because it had those numbers, I was able to look it up. It's an international wrench, 13 millimeter. It's listed for one listed for 12, 2 listed for $4.99 plus shipping. I'm going to list this one for $4.95 plus shipping. See if anybody wants it. But yeah, I didn't know about the Honda motorcycle logo there, so if you see any of those laying around, you might want to pick them up. If you can get the complete set, I think it's 8 or 9 wrenches, they sell pretty easy for 30, 40 bucks. Even not cleaned, all rusted up and everything. There's a pair of boots in that box, and I sold them for $18 plus shipping. Some kind of weird brand. Aspen Sport. Yeah, don't recommend that one. But we got it cheap. I think we paid $2 and sold it for $18. It's literally just some scrap metal I picked up somewhere. It is a York barbell collar. Right? I found it and run it through the rock tumbler. Listed it for $5.45 plus shipping. Somebody bought it about 24 hours after listing. They're $8.71 all in. I didn't know if it'd sell it just being one, but I guess it just needs one. So, good deal. X-Mark. Nobody does it better. Cap sold for $5.95 plus shipping on top. What do you think, sweetie? Can you do it better? I found these little candle holders. Found them at the thrift store for $1/4 a piece. Didn't have but the one, right? But they look so unusual that I went ahead and bought them. And I just sold this one for $5.95 plus shipping. So I guess that's worth that $1/4. Alright, well, we're going to get the candle holder and get it packed up. And we will catch y'all next time. This video is getting to be somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes long after the time I get all the editing done. So anyway, that's... Quit doing that. Stop. Let's get on out here. That's long enough for a video. This is Man Mountain Link and his herd of cats. And we will get with you next time. Bye now.
This is why you never see a poor person with millions of dollars.
Continue. I don't think that was necessary right there.
Yeah, I don't know why he did that.